Microsoft 365 Copilot Overview and Benefits. Welcome to Next Gen IT Solutions. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the future of productivity with Microsoft 365 Copilot. Microsoft 365 Copilot is the AI-powered assistant designed to revolutionize the way you work. Integrated directly into your favorite Microsoft 365 apps, Copilot helps you unleash your full potential by streamlining tasks and providing intelligent insights. Let's explore the key features that make Microsoft 365 Copilot a game changer for today's businesses. Whether you're drafting a report or creating a presentation, Copilot assists you with real-time suggestions, grammar corrections, and content ideas. It's like having a writing assistant right at your fingertips. In Excel, Copilot helps you analyze data faster and more accurately. It suggests formulas, automates repetitive tasks, and even generates visualizations, making complex data easy to understand. Need to create stunning presentations? Copilot offers design suggestions, image recommendations, and even helps you rehearse your delivery. Impress your audience with professional quality slides effortlessly. Outlook and Teams, Copilot streamlines communication and collaboration. It helps prioritize emails, schedule meetings, and even draft responses so you can focus on what matters most. At Next Gen IT Solutions, we understand the importance of security and privacy. Microsoft 365 Copilot is built with enterprise-grade security and compliance in mind, ensuring your data is protected at all times. With Microsoft 365 Copilot, your team can work smarter, not harder. Experience increased productivity, better decision-making, and a more efficient workflow. Ready to elevate your business with Microsoft 365 Copilot? Contact Next Gen IT Solutions today